How to manage different factors involved in driving. Practice with your teen when he or she is driving. This will help in developing the skills. Set the goals for every session, so the driving can be learned in the step-by-step process. Change the time, routes and driving conditions to make the driving lessons interesting. Upgrade your skills by taking driving challenges such as parking in a garage, urban driving, etc. Driving can't be learned in a few days, it takes some time. Be patient and give your best. Apply brakes after every 20 minutes to gain the experience of proper stoppage. Discuss how to communicate before the driving, for example, the word right is used as the antonym of the word left. Thank you. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.